Hey guys, so I hope that you guys had a good day yesterday. Thank you to everybody that has submitted a photo or a video for International Night. It's coming along very great. I'm excited about it. Um, I'm still putting things together. So even though we wanted them to be due by yesterday, today is the absolute last day that I can accept any submission. So if you are wanting to make something to represent the Caribbean islands, please do. Some example of some things that I've already received. I have received a video of somebody that had made it like kind of like a diorama. I've received pictures of posters that people have made. One of your classmates, love this idea, drew a flag from one of the Caribbean islands on in chalk. In their driveway and took a picture with it. That was really cool. I had one of your classmates, they were cooking a dish and they made a photo collage showing each step of the way that they went to be able to create this dish. And so all of these things are so fantastic. You guys are doing a great job with everything you're doing. So if anybody else wants to submit them, please do so by the end of today, and then I'll be putting the finishing touches on them so that by Thursday you all will be able to go on a tour around the world through different grade levels and what their countries are. All right. For today, you have a science assignment. You're going to go to STEM Scopes, and there are 3 concept review games. So these different games will help you review vocabulary and different things, different topics within these subjects to help you with this. I know this word says assessment, but it's not a test. It has 10 questions. It's going in the grade book as a class grade, but it combines all of these different topics. So sun and water, basic needs and habitats, and uses of energy. So if you do these 3 concept review games, it'll help refresh your memory on the things that you're going to see in this assessment. Okay. If you want to message me to see what your grade is as soon as you complete it, to see if you need to redo it or anything, please feel free to, and I will reset it if I need to, or rather I'll send it back to you so you can complete the ones that you can do it over again so you can try to get a better score. Okay. Also make sure that you are taking your AR quizzes for the week. We're getting better and better. We're so close. We're so close. I hope we can get top readers of the week before the school year is out. And then also we are voting for the Learner Profile Student of the Month. So you can use this link here. The learner profile for the month of May is reflective. So again, like I was telling you in the video yesterday, somebody who is reflective is somebody who thinks about their choices before they make them, and then if they do make a choice, then they are also reflective in trying to figure out how they could have gone about it in a different way, or if they need to make any changes, like if they make a bad decision, how could they do better next time? If they make a good decision, how can they do even better than they did this time? So you are always thinking about the actions that you are taking. That's a reflective person. Okay, so make sure you get your votes in. I'm going to be accepting them until the end of today. And then on Wednesday, when I post your social studies assignment, then I will announce who is our learner profile student of the month. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions, please let me know. We are almost to the end of this quarter, and then the last couple of weeks within this month we'll be reviewing things just to make sure you guys are still getting ready for the next grade level. All right. Well, I hope to see you guys soon. We will set up a Zoom probably next week, and we will we'll talk about how things are going, and we'll just catch up with each other. Maybe we'll play maybe we can play an online game. Maybe we can do like online Jeopardy, or we can do a Kahoot together. All right. So I hope you guys have a good week, and message me if you need me. Bye.